Action.
Alright, what's happening, you guys? Welcome back to This Is Livin. Alright, you guys, welcome back to This Is Livin. I really hope you guys are enjoying the videos and everything that we're doing out here in Hawaii. We've just got to the Outrigger Waikiki Beach Resort because there is some serious swell coming to the south side of the island. We have Waikiki right here, that's Diamond Head in the background, and the Outrigger was kind enough to hook us up with some rooms to surf this 4-day swell that's coming. It looks like it's going to be absolutely insane, beautiful weather, pumping waves for like four days straight. So we're gonna have a long week ahead of us, and we're gonna be extremely sunburned by the time we get back home. But it's kind of cool. I haven't gone anywhere in so long. It feels like I'm going on a surf trip, but I'm here at home an hour down the road from my house, which is amazing. And thanks again to the Outrigger. If you guys could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment and check out the merch, it really helps a lot. And we are almost at 100,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for all the support over the past couple of years. Okay, so the game plan from here is going to be, we're gonna go get some food right now, and then we're gonna go to MOANA Bowls, which is right down the road, go check the waves, probably surf because it's gonna be picking up this evening. And then tomorrow, the next day and the next day are going to be absolutely pumping waves. So we have so much surf ahead of us, and I'm super excited. If you guys are looking for a little staycation here on Oahu and you are from the islands, they have great kama-aina rates here at the Outrigger Beach Resort in Waikiki. So come down, check them out. We also have our sunrise shack here right downstairs, right when you walk in. Duke's, the famous bar and grill, is also located in this hotel. They have Faith Surf School, which is ran by some of our close friends here in Hawaii. So there's tons of stuff you guys can do here, especially when everything starts opening up again. This is like the spot to be, especially if you want to come surf uncrowded Waikiki right now. I would recommend you guys come to the Outrigger Hotel and come check it out. Let's go eat. Okay, went into a little bit of a food coma right after we ate a ton of food, but the waves just picked up and are literally, I looked down the cam, are firing. And we got like probably 3 hours of light right now. Yeah, about 3 hours left of light, and we're gonna go surf firing MOANA Bowls. We're waiting for the squad. Oliver's coming, Mason's at the ABC store, and we are on. Okay, we're
Success.
on.
6 bottles of water for $5.
Jack, music.
I seen you at a party, but you caught me staring. I'm sorry, you're something special. Had to keep it level. Time goes by, start to evolve. Side by side, we can take it all. Wanna tell you, but scared to call. This love is overdue. These fears I have for you ain't holding back the truth. I'm certain me and you will be forever too. Ain't holding back the truth. This love is overdue. Don't wanna keep it level. Time goes by, start to evolve.
Dude, it is absolutely firing right now. Tomorrow is going to be so crazy, I bet. I kind of wish we paddled out earlier than we did just now because we only got like an hour-and-a-half session. I could have stayed out there for literally 4 hours. It was so fun. Almost every wave I got barreled on. Even one, I might not have been that barreled, but I still got my like a little head dip in there. But basically, game plan is go back to our hotel, the Outrigger Waikiki, have some dinner, wake up, and then literally just run it all day tomorrow and the next day and the next day. I need food and some rest. Or do we just send it tonight? Dude, if you guys are looking to come hang in Waikiki, check out the Outrigger. They hook it up, especially for HAWAIIAN locals discount and stuff. Oh, get this. So out there, we got caught inside by a big one, and basically half of my session I was surfing with a broken leash. Makua over there, look at him in the shower. Decided to bail his board in front of me, and I have this spaghetti leash. How's it? I have this spaghetti like noodle leash made for like literally contests. Bail my board, instantly breaks. Luckily, it popped up like next to me and someone pushed it out to me, and I didn't lose it the rest of the session. I lost it, but not all the way. So I got lucky. We are back on the Koa cam. I lost the memory card, but luckily Jack had an extra one, and we just got in from our first town session this evening. Honestly, I wish the sun was up for a little longer. We could stay out for a bit, and I wish I didn't break my leash. And look at what else happened when I broke my leash with that tiny little leash. Whatever, I don't even know what I'm saying, but look at what it did to my board, that tiny little spaghetti leash.
Is that crack? Pretty sure. Popper.
You kidding me? Are you kidding me? How? You're my friends? I don't even know what they just said.
Take a shower and...
I'm not that hungry right this second.
I have to agree with that.
What's up, dude?
We're making a movie.
That's so cool.
What's up, sick, huh? We're closed right now, but if you guys would ever like to come to the Outrigger and check out our sunrise shaft, come by, check it out. Go look in there, look at our little rainbow vent.
What are the hours for?
Like, we don't even have, like, we're on vacation.
Wait, I see it.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa. I risked my leg for that one. Probably shouldn't have done that.
Look at this one.
Tells.
This one's so sick. It says hope.
That one's super sick. Okay, so we had a killer session last night, and this morning we're gonna go to our sunrise shack in Waikiki at the Outrigger Waikiki Beach Resort, and we're gonna grab some breakfast and a coffee, and then chill for a second, and then go surf MOANA bowls again, and probably come back here to grab more food in a little bit. So let's check it out.
Hi, I'm good.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
What do you guys want? Can we get one medium acai bowl and one medium blue dream bowl? Where was the wax, you guys? Oh. I'm gonna take this.
Oh my gosh.
Cool. I have wax. No leashes, but I have wax. Oh. This is my dream. Look at how beautiful it is. Beautiful Waikiki. Diamond. I'm so stoked. This is so fun. I'm on vacation. So nice. The waves are firing. It's solid out there right now. Look at it. Can't really tell from here, but those are pretty solid waves. We're gonna have a serious day of surfing ahead of us. And it's a good thing I brought my white rash guard because I'm for sure gonna get way too much sun, and that's gonna be the only thing that protects me. Also, for you guys at home, I got this bowl for you. So eat up and have a bite, and we're gonna go surfing. Telephone.
I mean,
Cable. Paddle. It's huge. It's like 6-8 feet out there. It's big for town.
thing is DIY.
I don't know if I trust that boat, even in the harbor.
Right now, going through it, going out.
Mike Akima just paddled out, which means the waves are probably gonna get good. He's like the local legend over here.
The most original thing you could ever film in surfing.
We have so much wax right now, and leashes and equipment. We're pumped up.
That could all change in one session. Mexico.
Look how nice it is out. Crazy. Everything's crazy today. Trash can, crazy. Oliver, crazy. Mason, crazy.
Not crazy.
My family. Jack's cousin.
Oh!
Whoa, 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 whoa. Waves going off. We decided to jump in from a different side because it's so big. Then we gotta shoot from this side of the harbor. And it's much easier of a paddle out, so we're gonna go rip. Maybe a couple big bowl sets. Big bowl is when it breaks, like if this is the wave that we usually surf, big bowl is out here on the biggest sets. It turns into like a mini chokes. So if everything comes together perfectly, we might even get a couple of those, but from the middle right now, the deep peak is looking really good. We gotta get out there.
Like a tattoo. Like a tattoo.
I'm roasted. That was gnarly. That was a super sick session. I don't know if I can go back out. Be careful, Mason. Oh, there's a wave coming. We need food and water.
What's my name?
Literally, the backs of my arms are cramping up when I'm paddling across this channel.
Back bicep.
What?
The back bicep.
My back bicep.
Those push-ups were a bad call.
Tricep?
No, back bicep.
The rear bicep. Look at the difference. Like, just look at this side, point at this side, and how eerie it looks, and then go by Diamond Head. And it looks nice and pretty and like nothing.
It's Hawaii weather.
Look at that. That looks like apocalyptic, and then literally right there, it's all nice, pretty, and sunny. I bet it doesn't even rain. It rains on the mountains and like never really comes into the city on days like this. Actually, you know what? I don't even know. But every day I've come out here, it's been like cloudy over there, raining, but it never reaches out here. Oh, you know what? I may have just felt some rain. I stand corrected by Mother Nature. Mother Nature always wins. Just know that.
It's raining.
And all drains lead to the ocean. Think about it. It's raining, yeah. Okay, I have one question for you guys. Just one. You can leave a comment in the comments. Do I look sunburned? Because I feel so sunburned. We might have to do some exploring tomorrow. Is that what you guys would like to see? If so, let us know. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. If you guys could subscribe to my channel, that'd be great. If you want to check out the merch, this is Livin merch. And yeah, the link's in the bio. Come check out the Outrigger Hotel in Waikiki. Doesn't get much better. This is Livin. Check it out. Sunset. Hour. Waikiki. We got Diamond. Queens. Another surf spot that I don't know. Another surf spot I don't know. A beautiful sunset.
I seen you at a party, but you caught me staring. I'm sorry, you're something special. Had to keep